I'll be reviewing the ASUS TUF Gaming 24-inch VG24VQER curved gaming monitor. If at any time during this video you're interested in exploring this monitor for yourself and finding a great deal, be sure to check out the links below. Ever feel like you're missing out on the full gaming experience? Let me introduce you to a game changer, the ASUS TUF Gaming 24-inch curved monitor VG24VQER. Designed specifically for gamers, this monitor takes your gaming to a whole new level with its immersive features and cutting-edge technology. First, let's talk about the 23.6-inch Full HD curved display. With a 1500R curvature, the screen wraps around your field of view, drawing you deeper into the game. This isn't just a screen, it's a panoramic experience that makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. The ultra-fast 180Hz refresh rate and at 1 millisecond response time are perfect for those intense moments in fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. Say goodbye to lag and motion blur. This monitor ensures you react faster, giving you a significant edge over your opponents. But that's not all. The extreme low motion blur sync ELMB SYNC technology and FreeSync support work together to eliminate ghosting and tearing, providing a seamless and smooth visual experience. This means no more choppy gameplay or visual distractions, just smooth, clear visuals that keep up with every move you make. For those of you who love exploring dark dungeons or playing stealth games, the Shadow Boost technology enhances image details in dark areas, so you'll never miss spotting an enemy lurking in the shadows again. This feature brightens up the dark areas without overexposing the bright ones, creating a perfect balance and ensuring you're always on top of your game. And let's not forget about the practical features. The low blue light technology helps reduce eye strain during those long gaming sessions, making sure your eyes are protected while you enjoy marathon sessions. With extensive connectivity options including 2MI ports and a DisplayPort, you can easily hook up multiple devices without hassle. The ergonomic design allows you to adjust the tilt to find your ideal viewing angle, and it's even VESA-compatible for wall mounting, giving you flexibility in how you set up your gaming space. Now, it's not all perfect. One thing to consider is that while this monitor offers incredible features, the full HD resolution may feel a bit limiting for those who are used to 4K or higher resolutions, especially on a slightly smaller 23.6-inch screen. However, for those who prioritize speed and smooth gameplay over sheer resolution, this is a fantastic choice. Ready to upgrade your gaming experience? Check out the links below in the description to get this fantastic monitor at a great price. Don't miss out on the chance to take your gameplay to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.